So I'm just going to go through a neck cars with you now. The idea of any neck cars or any cars exercise is try and limit how much the rest of your body moves and to try and draw the biggest circle you can possible with that joint. So with my neck, I'm going to imagine there's a little laser point on my chin and I'm going to try and draw the biggest circle I can possible. The only thing is to watch out for, if you get any sharp neck pain, especially if you're looking up, then try and avoid that. If you get a bit of discomfort looking down or in these directions, and it's a bearable amount, then it's okay to push through that. First things first, create a little bit of tension down here, and then what you're going to do, you're going to bring your chin and try to, if you're a male, try and break your Adam's apple. If you're a female, try to bring your chin towards your thyroid. So you're going to tuck your chin in like that, then bring your chin down towards your chest. From here, you're going to rotate all the way and try and touch your left shoulder. Then you're going to drop your left ear behind. Start to look up all the way across until your ear is behind your right shoulder. Then you're going to try and touch your right shoulder with your chin. Again, bring that chin towards the Adam's apple and back down again. In reverse, rotate towards the right shoulder. Drop the ear behind the right shoulder, start to look up as far as you can, all the way till the left ear is behind the left shoulder. Try and touch that chin towards the left shoulder and bring it back down. Now I'll show you from the side. So same thing, I want to tuck that chin. So if you see, I'm trying to bring this closer towards my Adam's apple. So I'm not doing this, I'm doing this, tucking that chin. So I tuck my chin, then I bring it down. So this is what I mean when I say drop the ear behind the right shoulder. You get to here, your chin is touching your right shoulder. I'm going to drop it. So I'm going to laterally flex. So I'm doing a motion as if I'm going sideways that way. So just be mindful if you feel any pain looking up through here. Especially if the pain is through here, it's a pinching type pain, just avoid that. You may feel some discomfort.